Hello everyone, welcome to the studio. I am getting ready to work on several large-scale acrylic mixed media paintings, and I wanted to show you how I start. I start with a primed canvas, and this one just happens to be a professional Paramount canvas. It is 1 13/16 inches deep and a gallery wrapped canvas, heavy duty. And even though the canvas is primed, I like to add extra texture as a beginning in my acrylic mixed media pieces. So I wanted to show you how I texturize a stretched canvas today in preparation for my acrylic and mixed media paint that I will be adding after the gesso dries. I usually use either Utrecht professional gesso or Liquitex super heavy gesso. Golden also makes a gesso, so try different brands and find the one that you like the best. But I like one that is very heavy and thick like frosting. So let's texturize this canvas. I have added the gesso to the entire 36 by 36 canvas, and you can see there are peaks and valleys and high spots and low spots with texture. When the camera zooms in, you can see it better. And as this dries, all of this will remain so that when I add my paint on top, I will already have built-in texture. You can also, while you are adding your gesso to texturize, bring some mark making into the piece and let that dry. If you choose to add some marking so that it shows through. And of course, if you make any marks that you don't want to have show through, you can come back in with your palette knife and smooth those back out, but leaving a little bit of that texture to show. There's a lot of interesting things you can do in the beginning with these texturized canvases. So I hope you've enjoyed this, and if you are using your acrylic mixed media on stretched canvas, this is a great way to begin your pieces. Thanks for joining me, everyone, and until next time.